And we work on a lot of home offices. People, since COVID, really work from home quite a bit more. And so we want to make those office spaces as comfortable as possible and as professional looking as possible. And one of the biggest challenges are that people have desks in their office space and there's typically windows around you. So you always end up with that glare on your computer screen, which makes it very difficult to work. Or you have wide open windows in the background when you're on a video call, and you don't want your peers or your workmates to see what's going on behind you or what your landscaping looks like. So we like to cover those with a really nice looking window covering. A lot of window coverings we look at in those spaces are more like a roller shade style, a fabric that you could raise or lower. You could leave it open whenever you want to look out. That's kind of the advantage to working from home, right? You're able to see things around you. You're able to look outside. You don't have to worry about the fluorescent office space that you came from. You can open it up wide open where you can see the landscaping, you can see the animals or see whatever type of view you have outside of your house. But if you hop on that video call, or if you really need to work on the computer monitor, you can lower that shade, which is typically room darkening, that blocks the light so that you don't have that glare or washes out the screen behind you. One of the other treatments that we talked about were shutters. Shutters are a great opportunity to be able to block light in the window and be able to tilt so that you could let ambient light in the room, but people can't see through the window behind you, and it redirects that light upwards so that you don't get as much of the glare on your screen. When we pair those window coverings with motorization or automation, it offers you the ability to work from your desk or be on a call, pick up your remote or hop on your phone and raise and lower that shades without getting up from your workspace to be able to adjust them. If you work from home frequently, then you generally know where the sun's going to come in, what time it's going to come in, and where it goes. And one of the things we love to do is work with people on an automated schedule for their shades. If your window is facing east and the sun comes up and you work early, you need to block that shade. We schedule the shades to come down in the east and block that until it passes over the house. And then the shade raises automatically. And we can do that with schedules that are iterations beyond when the sun comes up or down, so they don't have to be set at specific times. For example, many of the schedules we set will be for 2 hours after sunrise or an hour and a half after sunrise, so that you don't have to think about when the sun is changing. It really just follows your workday and makes it easier for you to focus on work and getting your job done.